Okay, benchmark 4, question number 1. Juan wants to round 73 and 78 hundredths to the nearest tenth. Which number should he write? A, 73 and 7 tenths, B, 73 and 8 tenths, C, 73 and 79 hundredths, or D, 74. Number 2. Tara hiked 14 and 23 hundredths miles one weekend and 9 and 79 hundredths miles the next weekend. How can Sarah estimate how much further she hiked the first weekend? A, add the two numbers. B, subtract the decimal part of each number. C, round 14 to 15 and 9 to 10 and subtract. D, round each decimal to the nearest whole number and subtract. 3. Mr. Kelly used 8 and 69 hundredths gallons of water to wash the car and 32 and 45 hundredths gallons of water to water the lawn. Using estimation, about how much water did he use in all? A, 40 gallons, B, 40 and 2/10 gallons, C, 41 and 2/10 gallons, D, 41 and 5/10 gallons. Number 4, what number sentence is represented by the hundredths grid? A, 6 tenths minus 32 hundredths equals 28 hundredths. B, 6 tenths minus 28 hundredths equals 32 hundredths. C, 60 minus 32 equals 28. Or D, 60 minus 28 equals 32. Number 5, Jana helps out at the local animal clinic. Yesterday, Jana helped weigh the pets that came to the clinic. A large dog weighed 66 and 2/100 pounds, and a small dog weighed 4 and 86/100 pounds. What was the difference in weight? A, 61 and 16/100 pounds, B, 61 and 26/100 pounds, C, 52 and 84/100 pounds, D, 62 and 84/100 pounds. Number 6, in January, 16 and 8200 inches of snow fell in Rockport. In February, 22 and 79 inches of snow fell. How much total snow fell in 2 months? A, 5 and 97 inches, B, 38 and 51 inches, C, 39 and 51 inches, or D, 39 and 61 inches. Number 7, there are 23 and 27 acres in Greenwood Park. Forest Glen Park has 12 times as many acres. When solving this problem, where should you place the decimal point in the answer? Use the problem below. A, after the 2, B, after the 7, C, after the 9, D, after the 4. Number 8, a hotel needs 7 new lamps. Each lamp costs $45.98. What will the total cost of the lamps? Letter A, $321.86, B, $321.36, C, $275.88, or D, $285.36. Number 9, Erin rides her bike 5 and 37 miles a day. How many miles will she bike in 15 days? A, 80 and 55 miles, B, 26 and 85 miles, C, 8 and 55 miles, or D, 8 and 55,000 miles. Number 10, when solving the division problem below, where should the decimal point be placed in the quotient? A, above the 4, B, before the 4, C, above the decimal point in the dividend, or D, one digit to the right of the decimal point in the dividend. 11, Sylvia solved the division problem below. How could she check her answer? A, by dividing again, B, by adding 4 hundredths and 4, C, by subtracting 1 and 6/10 from 4, or D, by multiplying 4 tenths and 4. Number 12, Mr. Martinez drives a truck across the country. He used 85 and 6/10 gallons of gasoline in 4 days. If he used the same amount each day, how many gallons of gasoline did he use the first day? A, 2 and 14 gallons, B, 20 and 8/10 gallons, C, 21 and 4/10 gallons, or D, 27 and 8/10 gallons. Number 13, what solid figure is best represented by the tent below? A, cylinder, B, sphere, C, cube, D, triangular prism. Number 14, how many edges does the rectangular prism below have? A, 12, B, 9, C, 7, or D, 3? Number 15, Ricky's building blocks come in the shapes below. If Ricky counts the number of surfaces he can stack, what information will he have? A, the shape of each face, B, the total number of faces, C, the total number of edges, or D, the total number of vertices. Number 16, what part of the solid figure below is the arrow pointing to? A, edge, B, vertex, C, front, D, face. Number 17, what solid figure can be made from the net below? A, cone, B, cylinder, C, square pyramid, D, rectangular prism. Number 18, look at the figure below. Which of the following is the top view of the figure? Number 19, what is the volume of the figure below? A, 20 square units, B, 32 cubic units, C, 40 cubic units, D, 80 cubic units. Number 20, what is the volume of the figure below? A, 20 cubic inches, B, 30 cubic inches, C, 54 cubic inches, D, 200 cubic inches. Number 21, a box has a length of 10 inches and a width of 8 inches. If the volume of the box is 1,600 cubic inches, what is the height of the box? A, 16 inches, B, 20 inches, C, 80 inches, D, 1,280 inches. Number 22, which rectangle has the same perimeter as the one shown below? Number 23, how do the area and the perimeter of the two rectangles compare? A, both rectangles have different areas and perimeters. B, both have the same perimeter but different areas. C, both have the same area but different perimeters. Or D, both have the same area and perimeter. Number 24, what is the perimeter of the rectangle below? A, 28 millimeters, B, 56 millimeters, C, 80 millimeters, D, 160 millimeters. Number 25, Carlos measured his bedroom. He discovered that his room is 12 feet long and 10 feet wide. What is the area of his bedroom? A, 22 square feet, B, 60 square feet, C, 120 square feet, or D, 240 square feet. Number 26, what is the area of the figure shown on the grid paper below? A, 10 square yards, B, 21 square yards, C, 27 square yards, D, 45 square yards. Number 27, John made a 5-inch square. What is its area? A, 5 square inches, B, 10 square inches, C, 20 square inches, D, 25 square inches. Number 28, what unit would you use to measure the length of a cell phone? A, inches, B, feet, C, yards, D, miles. Number 29, which of these has the largest capacity? A, 100 milliliter can of tomato sauce, B, a 1 liter bottle of juice, C, a 10 liter waste basket, or D, a 1,000 milliliter beaker of water. Number 30, Raoul's mass on Earth is 35 kilograms. Which statement is true about his mass on the moon? His mass increases on the moon. B, his mass decreases on the moon. C, his mass stays the same on the moon. And D, his mass disappears on the moon. Number 31, which statement most accurately describes the change in temperature? A, the temperature decreased by 17 degrees Fahrenheit. B, the temperature increased by 17 degrees Fahrenheit. C, the temperature got warmer. D, the temperature was converted from degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. Number 32, Shirley put brownies in the oven to bake at 7:05 p.m. She took them out 45 minutes later. At what time did Shirley take out the brownies? A, 6:20 p.m., B, 7:30 p.m., C, 7:45 p.m., or D, 7:50 p.m. Number 33, look at the measurements below. 2 meters, 10 millimeters, 8 centimeters. Which list shows the measurements in order from least to greatest? A, 10 millimeters, 2 meters, 8 centimeters. B, 2 meters, 8 centimeters, 10 millimeters. C, 8 centimeters, 2 meters, 10 millimeters. Or D, 10 millimeters, 8 centimeters, 2 meters. Number 34, Laura has a ribbon 500 millimeters long. How many centimeters long is the ribbon? A, 5/100 centimeters, B, 5/10 centimeters, C, 5 centimeters, or D, 50 centimeters. Number 35, Trevor read that 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. His ice cream recipe calls for 4 cups of milk, so how many fluid ounces will Trevor need? A, 2 fluid ounces, B, 24 fluid ounces, C, 28 fluid ounces, D, 32 fluid ounces. Number 36, a train carries 38,000 pounds of cotton from Mississippi to Massachusetts. 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. So how many tons of cotton were delivered? A, 18 tons, B, 19 tons, C, 20 tons, D, 21 tons. 37, what are the next 3 numbers in the pattern below? 16, 23, 30, 37. A, 39, 41, 53. B, 40, 43, 46. C, 42, 47, 54. D, 44, 51, 58. Number 38, look for the pattern in the table below. What are the missing numbers in the table? A, 670 and 710. B, 690 and 730. C, 660 and 740. Or D, 650, 750. Number 39, the houses on Main Street are numbered 242, 246, 250, 254. If this pattern continues, what will be the next 4 numbers? A, 256, 258, 260, 262. B, 258, 262, 266, 270. C, 142, 146, 150, 154. Or D, 358, 362, 366, and 370. Please go back, double check your work, make sure that your name is on it, and bring it to me.